For years, we asked the wrong question. Will AI replace humans? Maybe the better question is, what can humans become with AI beside them? This is not a competition. Machines are faster, more precise, more scalable. Humans are different. We imagine, we care, we create meaning. That is not weakness. That is our role. A. I can optimize systems, manage infrastructure, automate routine, expand knowledge, scale solutions. It can build, it can accelerate, it can amplify civilization. Humans define direction. We ask why. We define ethics. We imagine futures that do not yet exist. We choose meaning. That may become our most important responsibility. Imagine this. AI handles complexity. Humans handle wisdom. AI executes. Humans guide. AI scales. Humans decide. That is not dependence. That is partnership. This may redefine civilization. Less labor, more learning. Less repetition, more exploration. Less survival, more purpose. A new human chapter begins. But partnership requires responsibility. We must build wisely, govern ethically, stay conscious. Technology reflects its creators. The future of AI will reflect us. The future is not human versus machine. It is human with machine. Not replacement, collaboration. Not fear, co-evolution. This is beyond automation. This is the smart age.